Top tips for tenants at checkout. 1. Check the original inventory. Check if the property was professionally cleaned when you moved in. If it was, clean the property to that standard. If you can do it yourself, by all means do so. If you can't, instruct a professional cleaning company. Make sure to have the invoice for the inventory clerk for the checkout, and definitely have a copy of it sent to your agent or landlord for proof. 2. Any blown bulbs in the property, try to have them changed before you move out. This can be quite a costly fixture if the agent has to do that for you. 3. Anything broken or damaged during the tenancy, do your best to replace the items yourself before the checkout. And 4. Any items that might have moved from room to room in a property, again, go to the original inventory, have a look at where the original locations were, and put those items back. It really helps the inventory clerk to identify certain things, and it can save delay. For more information, go to our website, ashworth-group.co.uk.